Hi everyone, welcome to Academic and School Life. I'm Alran Charles Ibalanditan, a grade 12 UM student. Today, I will share how to choose the right senior high school strand, UMS, STEM, ABM, CAS, TPL, or ICT, and why I personally choose UMS. Choosing a strand is a big decision because it helps shape your future. STEM is for students who love science, math, and technology. ABM is for those interested in business, accounting, and entrepreneurship. TVL and ICT are for hands-on learners who wants technical skills for work. GAS is good if you're still undecided and want a mix of subjects. NUMS focuses on people, society, communication, and social issues. Before choosing, it's important to know your interests, strengths, and goals. I choose UMS because I enjoy speaking, writing, and understand people. I like discussing real life issues such as relationships, culture, and social problems. UMS helped me become more confident in expressing my ideas and listening to others' opinions. If you're interested in career like teaching, law, psychology, journalism, or public service, UMS is a good choice. Most importantly, UMS is not about memorizing, it's about critical thinking and empathy. First, don't choose just because your friends choose what fits you. Second, think about your future career, but also what you enjoy right now. Third, ask advice from teachers, parents, or guidance counselors. Lastly, remember that no strand is better than the others. Each one has value. Choosing your senior high school strand is choosing your path, not someone else. For me, UMS was the right choice because it helped me grow academically and personally. Thank you for listening to Academic and School Life. I'm Aloran Charles Ibalanditan, signing off.